Hello all, good evening. So we can all say safely that tools make our life easier, and to achieve any work, tools can be used to facilitate in the process of speeding up the work. So internet has now become a building block of our life. So this topic is based on, let me open up Excel. So here are some product, pen, lighter, eraser and so on, and their rate is being given and their quantity, that is the amount which are being sold, and the subsequent total is being printed in the D column. Now my goal is to achieve this total which is written in numeric. It will be converted in rupees in word. Now as I was saying that internet has become our building block of our life. So we can use the internet very well, and we can copy a particular script, a VBA script, and we will be utilizing it to populate this rupee in word without knowing the coding a bit. So what we will be doing is that we will be typing cut text. We will be typing this in Google, cut text in Excel. Then we will be writing Java point. So this is the first site which opens up. Open up the website. Scroll down a little bit where the VBA script is being written. Select the whole of the scripting from the top to the bottom. Let me select it. Okay, the selection is done. Control C to copy. Move back to Excel. After that, press Alt F11. Alt function F11. So I'm using a laptop. Alt function F11. Okay, fine. Now insert a module. Insert module. Then Control V to paste whatever I had copied from the internet. Then press at the beginning of the document and press Control H to replace. So they have given the name of the function as spell number. I will be replacing it with something. So the name of a function of which I am thinking about, or you can name it accordingly, whatever you wish. So spell number, the inbuilt function which I had copied from the internet, I will be replacing it with say rupees in word. Rupees in word. So far so good. Replace all. So after the first replacement, again we will be going to find what? We will be finding dollars, and we will be replacing it with rupees. Make the replacement appropriately. Replace all. Okay. Next, go to find what? Find cents and replace it with paisa. Find. Replace all. Okay. So when all of the replacement are being done, Control S to save this VBA script to some location, say book1.xlsx, whatever the name you want to give. But remember, for macro enabled workbook, it should be macro enabled workbook. You have to select this selection, and the extension would be Excel SM. In Word Excel 2016 and later version, when save as type, you will be going to this section. You will be from the drop down, you will be getting this option, Excel macro enabled workbook. The extension won't be shown. I am using Excel 2007 version, and you can name the file name, give any name which you wish. So if you want to know which version I am using, I already have made a video on to know the version of it. So you can go to command prompt and type this particular command. You can type, you want to know the registration query. Registration query of a H key, you want to know the key, and classes, and inside this classes root folder there is a application which is being installed. It is excel.application, and you want to know the current version of it. So carvar, and press enter. So you are using 12. I have already made a video earlier. You can check my YouTube channel that what does this 12 refer to, and if it is 2016, what it would be populating, and if you are using Excel 2003, what it would be populating. All I can say that 12 refers to Excel 2007, and I am not discussing the same topic one more time. Now after saving this, close this particular VBA script and go here, equal to words in rupees. Word, no, not word, it was rupees in word. Here it is, rupees in word. Select this section, press, close the bracket, press enter, double click here. So 796 rupees and 62 paisa. go to this section, this corner of this cell, and press double click it, and again double click here and see 550 rupees and 68 paisa, 975 rupees and no paisa, 19,245 rupees and 16 paisa, 19,245 rupees fine, 5,788 rupees and 16 paisa. So hope you have liked my video, and you can apply, you can use the internet all by yourself to achieve this VBA script. So you can follow along other YouTube channels to get hold of what this VBA script and what to learn VBA.net and what this particular code means. But as I was saying, that we use tools to make our life hell lot easier, and we are using this tool and not knowing how this tool was being made. So that's all about this video. Hope you liked it. Thanks and happy coding.